Mm-hmm. 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 Let's go.
Hello, and welcome to Soul Food Cooking. Today, I'll be making baked turkey legs. Preheat the oven to 375 degrees. You will need 6 turkey legs, 2 10-ounce cans of cream of chicken and mushroom soup, 22 ounces of water, 3 stalks of celery, 1 small onion, 2 teaspoons of onion powder, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 2 teaspoons of paprika, 2 teaspoons of thyme, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 2 teaspoons of black pepper. In a small bowl, combine your thyme, salt, and pepper. Now add the paprika, garlic powder, and onion powder and mix until well combined. To make your gravy, combine the cream of chicken and mushroom soup with your water and mix until well combined. Make sure your turkey legs have been cleaned and dried. Now sprinkle with your seasoning mixture. Generously coat each piece, then set it aside until later. Now add your onion and celery to your baking dish. Place your turkey legs in your baking dish, then pour in your soup mixture. Cover your dish with foil, then place in your oven that has been preheated to 375 degrees and allow it to cook for 1 hour. After 1 hour, remove your foil, then continue to cook for an additional 30 minutes. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Soul Food Cooking.
Soul Food Cooking class, you will learn to grasp how to make great food with steps made for you. Videos, quests